Alright guys, real talk here for just a sec. I have a stutter, and I've always had it. And it's really hard for me to talk to people, to open up, to get through things, and playing guitar has I don't know, it's become a part of who I am. And like, I've always loved to sing and play. Like, I can sing good. Like, I'm like, won't you help me to get by? Oh, mama, don't cry. So like, I can sing and do that fine, but like, talking has always been a really big struggle for me. I don't know, I've always wanted to get big, and not so much big, just do something, sell tracks, or be the head over like a small band or something, or just shoot, give input, anything that has to do with sound or songs or background, even, just background tracks, but yeah, I play guitar to get through a lot of like hard times, bad days. It's stress, yeah, especially when I'm stressed out. And like, I may not be stuttering a lot right now, but that's because I'm in my own house and I'm comfortable and I got my guitar in hand, and it's definitely something that's hard, especially when people don't understand. They think that I'm slow, or that I can't comprehend what they're talking about because I have a hard time talking. And I've had people laugh, but I don't let that get to me too much. I keep going on because I love to play, I love to post, I love to make music, if you can call it that. These like short tracks that I post on here, this is just me opening up, and I really don't want to open up. And I would love more people to join my channel. Tell me some things y'all want to hear. Tell me some things you want to see me do, want to see me get into. If y'all like full songs, I can write songs and post songs. I just want some like feedback, a starving artist, like all of them. Hopefully one day I can make some cash off it. I don't even want the 10 cars and the 4 houses, I just want to get by. And I've always been like that. I've always been one to just get by. I don't have to have the best of the best. I'm just happy being me. So just, if you like my stuff, keep watching, share it, post it on your own channel if you want to copy it, or like just share it to Facebook or something, I don't know, Twitter, Instagram, all those things. I do have a Facebook account. Hit me up if you want to talk, if you have some like comments or anything I could be doing better, songs I could do. I may be putting out some songs here soon. Any tips on my guitar sounding better? Now, my phone quality right now is going to suck because I'm recording on my phone. It's basically all I can do right now, but yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to play y'all one last riff, and Peace.